Solving lockdown browser issues on your Chromebook.
Hello there. In today's tutorial, we're going to tackle a commonly encountered issue: how to resolve lockdown browser problems on a Chromebook. If you're facing difficulties with the lockdown browser, you're in the right place. We'll walk you through a step-by-step guide to troubleshoot and fix these issues. Remember, patience is key when dealing with technical issues. Don't worry, we'll sort this out together.
What is the lockdown browser?
Before we get started with the troubleshooting, let's briefly understand what the lockdown browser is. It's a custom browser that locks down the testing environment within a learning management system. It's used for securing online exams in classrooms or proctored environments. Now that we know what it is, let's dive into how to solve any problems you might be having with it.
Are you using the latest version?
First and foremost, you need to ensure that you are using the latest version of the lockdown browser. Like any software, outdated versions can cause issues. Regularly updating your lockdown browser can prevent many problems. 1. Open the lockdown browser. 2. Click on the I button in the top toolbar. 3. This will open an About dialog with your version information. If there's a newer version available, there will be an option to download it.
Are there any issues with your internet connection?
If you're certain that you're using the latest version of the lockdown browser, the next step is to check your internet connection. Connectivity issues can often cause problems with the lockdown browser. Make sure your Wi-Fi is connected and has a stable connection. Try to reload the page or restart your browser if the connection was unstable and has since stabilized.
Is your Chromebook operating system up to date?
Your lockdown browser may not work properly if your Chromebook's operating system is out of date. Thus, updating your Chromebook to the latest version can resolve a lot of issues. 1. Click on your account photo. 2. Go to Settings. 3. Scroll down to About Chrome OS. 4. Click on Check for Updates. If there is an update available, your system will download and install it.
Have you tried restarting your Chromebook?
If none of the above solutions work, a simple system restart can often solve a lot of issues. 1. Click on the time in the bottom right corner of your screen. 2. Click on the power icon to shut down your Chromebook. 3. Wait a moment, then turn your Chromebook back on. We hope this guide has been helpful in resolving your lockdown browser issues on your Chromebook. Remember, technical issues can be frustrating, but with a little patience and systematic troubleshooting, they can usually be resolved. If you're still experiencing issues, don't hesitate to reach out to your institution's IT support for further help. Thanks for joining us today, and happy browsing!